Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to use pineapple skin to make a delicious juice. If you are someone who always just throw your pineapple skin in the bin, think again. Pineapple skin is rich in vitamin C. It helps to build overall immunity of the body. It fights bacteria, helps with cough, strengthens your teeth and bones, and it's rich in manganese. As you can see, my main ingredient is the pineapple skin. I'm gonna add some grated ginger in this pot, small piece of cinnamon stick. I strongly suggest that before you peel a pineapple, give it a good wash and dry it so that once you peel the pineapple, it's all ready and clean. With everything now in the pot, I'm just gonna add about 1.5 liters of water with this amount of skin, and I'm gonna add it on the hob, allow it to come to a boil, and then I'm gonna turn the hob off and leave this overnight to cool. 24 hours later, I'm gonna strain everything. I'm gonna also add a squeezed lemon, brown sugar, some squash, and then I'm gonna bring everything together. Of course, this is a personal choice. You could also use honey and you could also use syrup. As you can see, this is now ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.